In this video, I'll run you through the tokenomics of the project because that's where the core answer of the question lies. Why should you buy a Gen 1 NFT? For our Gen 1 sale, we're keeping a low mint price. For 2000 cyborgs will go at 0.42069 Sol and the rest of the 8000 at 0.99 Sol. The low mint price is by design to get more people involved in the community by keeping the barrier of entry low. And the royalties are set at 10% to help build out SGF's brand and community. It's a signal that we are here for the long term. We don't want any minting cash grabs where we are charging you like 3 to 5 Sol just to like mint an NFT. No, we don't want that. We're here to build for the long term, and that's why we are happy to keep a low mint price and decent royalties. So now what is Gen 1 NFT's utility? All Gen 1 holders earn 3.5% of secondary sale royalties from all the future NFT drops and 0.5% of revenue from SGF's flagship fighter game. Not only that, you indirectly earn value from SGF's Trident tokenomics as well, which will help scale the SGF media house. Don't worry, we'll go into the details of all of them one by one. So let's dive right into it. So for our tokenomics, 30% of secondary royalties is allocated equally at 3 different places. 10% being allocated to SGF's ecosystem fund that will be used to fund amazing artists and talented developers to build for and on SGF United. 10% will be donated to army veterans, and the rest of the 10% will be used to buy back from the market the NFTs that are at the floor price to drive up the floor price and bring more liquidity to the SGF United NFT market. So assuming that the Gen 1 cyborgs do 800k monthly on secondary sales, which is the average case taken from Sol analysis, consider the royalty of 7.5% that comes out to be 60k per month. Alright, and just to clarify, we take 7.5% out of the total 10 because 2.5 is like a fee for the marketplaces. So basically we get 60k per month from royalties, and 10% of 60k, that is 6k each, goes to the ecosystem fund, donation to disabled veterans, and 10% goes to buying the floor price NFTs from the market. So 6k will be used to buy the NFT, 6k will go to the ecosystem fund, and 6k will go to the army veterans. Right, and here's a sheet that basically simulates all of this, and we'd have links for this on our Discord, so definitely join our Discord, and we'd be happy to take your questions about this as well. Yeah. Alright, so just to like hammer home the point, sure, we are allocating all the money, but what would come out of it, right? Buying the floor NFT pushes up the price of Gen 1 cyborgs because we are essentially buying the cheapest ones from the market, and that will essentially drive up more demand and essentially a higher price. And the monthly grants program through the SGF ecosystem fund will catalyze the process of building things around the SGF brand, which will accrue value back to the SGF media house because they will be launched under our label, which will in turn push demand for Gen 1 cyborgs because like, why wouldn't you want to be a part of the starting when a media house is doing that well? Right, and monthly donation to disabled veterans is really important to us as well because just think about how much good this money could do for the veterans. After all, they're the real cyborgs.